So, welcome back, you guys. I wanted to start this off by asking Miss Nuss a question because my mind is kind of blown from this strategy, if I'm being honest. This is so cool. I wish I learned it when I was in 3rd grade. But I'm wondering if I could use this strategy on any single addition problem and if it'll work really well for me.
And that's a really good question, Miss Leadley, and here's why. Because when we taught you show my totals, or show all my totals, and how to do a proof drawing, and how to do a number line, it will work every time. But here's the problem. This one won't. So you have to do a lot of thinking up front to save yourself thinking later.
Okay.
So I wrote some problems down that I think will help you, and then I'm going to show you a non-example.
Okay, so you can help us think through when will this help us?
Yes, okay, absolutely.
Awesome. Okay, thanks, Miss Nuss.
And then, Miss Leadley, since I don't know this, how do I zoom it one more time? Oh, no, I found the plus button.
It? Yeah, you did.
This is a big moment for me, guys. Okay, so, Miss Leadley,
yes.
all of these problems, 343 plus 637, 117 plus 33, 238 plus 462, and all the way down have something in common, and it has something to do with their ones place, or possibly their tens place. Like this one has to do with both. This one does not. This one does not. Ooh, this one does. So if you were to even just look at this one, how do you think I know that this one will result in friendly numbers?
This is where you pause your video and think about it for a second?
That's true.
Okay, so I'm thinking how you know this one might work in friendly numbers is that 3 plus 7 equal 10.
Yes, I found one of my 10 partners. That's how I know. Okay, so far you think the pattern will be that if I can make a 10 with my ones.
That is my prediction, yes.
Okay, let's see. Will you check the next one? Can you make a 10 with your ones here?
Pause your video and ask yourself that question. 7 plus 3, yes, I can make a 10.
Oh, it was even the same one. Sorry. Okay, what about this next one? And remember, sometimes it really helps to look at both places.
So just to be safe, I'm going to start with my ones, and then I'll go on to my twos.
Good call.
Or tens, not my twos. So I'm looking at 8 plus 2, and I know that 8 plus 2 for sure add up to 10, so I know that I can at least make a friendly 10. But then if I look at my tens as well, and I look at, I have 38 plus 62. Oh, I think we can make a friendly 100 with that one.
Oh, so in order to make a friendly 100, I need my ones and my tens to be friendly.
Yes,
excellent.
Correct.
Okay, what about the next one?
Oh, okay, well, I'm looking at those ones, and I notice 8 plus 2 is 10, so we can make a friendly 10.
Yes. Miss Leadley, I'm looking at my 7 and my 3 because you reminded me last time, and I actually think that we might be able to make a friendly 100.
Oh, Miss Nuss, you need to be so careful, I almost have this mistake all the time, so let me warn you right now. Yes, you're correct. If you look at 3 tens plus 7 tens, that would totally make 10 tens or 100. But you're not just working with 3 tens and 7 tens. You're working with 38 and 72. You can't forget about your ones. So we know that 8 plus 2 equals 10. So really, you're working with 3 tens plus 4 tens. 3 tens plus 7 tens plus 1 extra 10. So that would really be 110.
All right, I got really excited there. Okay, next one.
Okay, next one. Okay, I'm noticing a 4 and I'm noticing a 6, so I'm going to say yes because I know that those are 10 partners.
Great.
Okay. Ooh, yes. Okay, this one has potential, you guys. So I see 9 and 1, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, we can make a 10 there. We can at least make a friendly 10, but I'm going to look at my 10s now too. So I noticed that really we're dealing with 19 plus 81, and I know that if I add or subtract my 1 from 81, I'm going to have 80, and if I add that over to my 19, we're going to have 20, and 20 plus 80 is 100. Miss Nuss, we can make a friendly 100.
Yes. All right, Miss Leadley, I'm going to try and trick you. I want to see if this is really going to work every single time.
Okay, let's try.
Okay. I think I have a non-example.
Ooh.
I'm going to give you something that I think is going to mess you up.
Uh-oh.
And I'm going to give you 7. Nope, that's a 3. 373 plus 639. I don't think that one will work. Why?
So,
or well, more accurately, do you agree or disagree with me?
So you're saying it doesn't work. Let me think through this.
I don't think so.
I'm going to, I know that to see if this is going to be a good strategy, that I can look at the ones. And I see that we have 9 and 3. And 9 and 3, those don't make 10. Those are not 10 partners, so I don't think they'll work.
No. Okay, you're right. No 10s.
Oh, man.
Okay, I think I'm going to trick you one more time.
One more time.
You have the following number. Well,
Okay.
I might trick you a few more
You might
times.
have to move it up a smidge.
Thank you. You have 472.
Okay.
What number could I put here to get a friendly number?
Ooh, okay. So I know that when we were trying to decide if we could use this strategy with some of the equations that you gave us earlier, we were looking at the ones. So I have a hunch. In order to make this friendly, I have to make the ones total to 10. So I know I'm going to put 8 in my ones place because 8 plus 2 equals 10.
Rats, I'm not tricking you.
And then I'm going to give you some 3s because that's my favorite number. So let's do 338.
All right. So then, Miss Leadley, you noticed the last time as long as 8 equals 10, you were good. So let's check your example. Does 2 and 8 equal 10?
Yes!
So would it work?
It would work!
Excellent. Can we see if we can trick our great third graders?
Oh, I bet we can.
I think so too. All right. Will you find a number that would work? 4.
And if you want a challenge, you can find how to make this a friendly 10. And you can also see if you can make it a friendly 100. Pause. Okay, Miss Nuss.
All right.
I think...
So, Miss Leadley,
We're
we
ready.
might have a little bit of a problem. There's too many answers. So,
There are.
I think the third graders should go find a calculator, maybe go borrow their parents' phone. And I think they should check to see if their number will result in something that ends in at least 10.
Ooh. And Miss Nuss, how will we know if it ends in at least 10?
Oh, we could even self-check it. We could even self-check it by looking at our ones and seeing if we add them together.
Oh.
Okay. Sorry, guys, we're really not going to give you the answer to this because there really is just too many options. So do go check that with your parents. I have one final question for you, and I just want you to contemplate it. If you were in class, I would make you wrestle with it, but you're not, so I can't. I'm curious if I was to give you the number 838 plus 142 plus 346 plus 454. Could you use friendly numbers to solve that? And I'd like to remind you that this is a friendly number. Oops. This would be a friendly number. 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 I'm just intrigued. If you're looking for a challenge, could you use friendly numbers to solve this? All right, otherwise you really do have a legit math book page to solve. So you're going to want to go and find your assignment. And as you're doing your assignment, the first question that should be going on in your heads, besides which operation should I use, is can I use friendly numbers? And if you can, I would encourage you to try it out. If you can't, you can use show all totals. You can use a proof drawing. You could even use a number line. There's only 4 math book problems, not pages. We're not that mean. Bye!